In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to add emojis or stickers on your Discord server. So let's get started. So first of all, you'll have to go over to our website, emojis.gg. This is a website where you can take different emojis and put them in your Discord server. So first of all, I'm going to download an emoji. So I'm just going to type in skull. It's just one type of emoji. And then once I'm here, I'm going to choose any one of the emojis. So in my case, I'm just going to choose this one right here. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to download the emoji. So as you guys can see, it has been downloaded. Now I'm going to go over to my Discord server. I'm going to click on this arrow and click on server settings. Here I'm going to go into the emojis section, and I'm going to upload the emoji which I just downloaded. I'm going to click on it, go over to downloads, and click the skull which I just downloaded. So once I upload it, it's gonna show up here. So now I can just name it whatever I want. So I'm just gonna write skull, enter. I'm gonna close this now, and now let me see if it works. Hi skull. So there you guys can see, this is the emoji I just uploaded, and there you go, it works. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.